Good evening, folks. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about UEFA Super Cup Chelsea versus Villarreal, 12:30 a.m. Guys, before getting to the overview, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So let's get to the topic. So coming to the overview, from Chelsea's side, Thomas Tuchel defied all odds to beat favourites Man City 1-0 in the finals of UCL, winning their second UCL trophy. But however, superseding Chelsea's win, Villarreal shocked the world to beat Manchester United 1-1 in penalties and win the Europa League. Emery's favorite trophy as a Spaniard has won the Europa League now 4 times, 3 with Sevilla and 1 with Villarreal. So let's hope what's going to happen tonight. Coming over, Thomas Tuchel did a fantastic job with the Blues last time. After taking up the manager role midway into the season, he completely changed the look of the side and soon they came to know for their defensive resolve. The win against Man City in the Champions League final showed how good a tactician Tuchel is. However, he will need to be in the top of his game heading into the season once again. Villarreal will be coming into the confidence on the back of Europa League winning champion last season where they defeated Manchester United on penalties in the final. Unai Emery managed the squad pretty well last time, but things haven't gotten off to a bright start this time. They have failed to win any of the 6 preseason games and are coming into this match on the back of a loss and a draw. Leicestershire and Leeds United are in the last 2 matches respectively. So coming to the team news of Chelsea versus Villarreal, let's get to the injury updates. So basically in Chelsea, these players, Mount, Chilwell, Reece James, Thiago Silva, Jorginho, Aspilicueta are unfit, but I'm not sure if they are playing or not. There's no confirmation behind that. It's all from the website. So from VRL's injury news, Chukwueze, Parejo, Capui and Coquelin, Ruli, Ibora, all these players are unfit and the first two are doubtful. So doubtful means they might have a chance, more chances of getting into the starting 11. But unfit, I'm not sure if they are gonna play or not, but some will play, some won't. Let's hope for the best, guys. So coming to the stats and records, well, look at that. Chelsea has played 3 games. In 3, they have won 2 and drew 1. So they are in good form, I guess. But coming over to Villarreal, I can't say that because they have lost twice and drew twice. And even though they have scored goals, but they were not manageable to win. So I'm not sure about their form. So bye guys. So keep more focus on Chelsea players than on Villarreal. That's what my suggestion is. So let's go to how the probable playing 11 is. From Chelsea's side, the Mendy and Edward Mendy, Cesar Aspilicueta, Thiago Silva, Antonio Rudiger, Reece James, N'Golo Kante, Matthew Kovacic, Marco Alonso, Kawhi Havertz, Hakim Ziyech, Timo Werner. And from Villarreal's predicted start lineup, Sergio Asenjo, Alberto Monreal, Raul Albiol, Asia Mandi, Mario Gasper, Alfonso Pedras, Manuel Tricura, Manu Morlans, Juan Foyt, Fernino, Gerard Monreal. Oh, the last name was a bit easy, guys. The rest are a bit tough to read out. And coming over to guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I would really appreciate. So, thanks, guys. So, coming to the important players, these are the chosen ones that I've picked from my research: Kaveh Havertz, Hakim Ziyech, Gerard Monreal, Kutsumo, and Paco Alcance. So coming to Kaveh Havertz, the youngster struggled to adapt to the new surroundings at the start of the last season, but he kept coming into his zone as he played more and more. By the end of the season, he had made some of the most crucial contributions to Chelsea's success, which included the winner against Man City in the Champions League final. He was the one who scored. So overall, he made 45 appearances for the Blue last season and scored 9 goals along with an equal number of assists. That means 9 assists. Sorry, guys. Hakim Ziyech, the master playmaker, joined Chelsea from Ajax last season but faced a lot of issues with injuries. However, he had still managed to make 39 appearances by the end of the season, scoring 6 goals and assisting 4 times. Ziyech has been seen in good scoring form in the preseason as well as he will be looking to carry that forward. I hope so, guys. So Gerard Monreal, coming to that, the forward went on to enjoy a fabulous season with Villarreal. Last season, Monreal scored a total of 30 goals in 46 appearances. That is a really good stats, and he has assisted 11 times on top of that as well. Kurt Zoma offers immense scoring potential from set pieces and has the capability of earning plenty of points from tackles and interceptions as well. He scored a total of 5 premier goals last season. So I'm hoping I'm hoping he would play. So let's go for next guy. Paco Alcancer will be another important player. The forward played a pivotal role in Villarreal's Europe League's success last season. He scored 6 goals in his just 10 Europa League games and thus helped them in marching into the final. Overall, Alcancer scored 12 goals and assisted 5 times in 39 appearances across all competitions. So good pick, guys. Good pick. Watch him too, guys. So guys, please subscribe the channel and like and share the video. Please, guys. I've put a lot of effort into this, so I would appreciate it a lot. Thank you. So these are the two Dream 11 teams that I've made. So hope you guys to pick wisely, guys. Pick wisely whatever you are picking. This is just my suggestions. I'm not telling you to follow whatever I've picked. You can change. You can select your own captain and vice captain according to your preferences. So coming to my first team, I have chosen the Villarreal's goalkeeper, and the defense is Aspilicueta, Abilol, Christensen, and Torres. Midfielders, I'm going for Kovacic, Kante, Mount, Chukwueze, and for forward, the best Kave Huts and G Mornere. Coming to my next, sorry guys, in this I have chosen Mount and Monrio as Mount as my captain and Monrio as my vice captain. Coming to my second team, I have chosen Mendy, Albiol, Christiansen, Rudiger, Estupinian. And from midfielder side, I have chosen Kovac, Chukwasi, Havertz, and G. Mondrio. And coming to the captain and vice captain, I have chosen again Mount as usual from the same last team, and I have chosen the vice captain G. Mondrio. So basically, these both are the both captains and vice captain in my both teams. But the players, so I'm hoping there'll be some changes in the game. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good night.